Hello, my name is Mike with MFASCO Health and Safety, the leader in first aid kits and first aid refill supplies. This is a brief tutorial instructing how to create and build your own first aid kit using our brand new online tool known as BuildAKit. Go to our website www.mfasco.com and click on the BuildAKit link at the top of the page. You'll be directed to the BuildAKit homepage where we will begin the process. You'll quickly see that we have a choice to either build, refill, or reorder. The build link starts the process of building a first aid kit. The refill link starts the process of creating a refill checklist. And the reorder link displays a list of any first aid kits or lists that you've created in the past. You can only save your kits or lists if you sign into our site first. You will only be able to see any kits or lists you have saved if you are signed in. So, we recommend you sign into our site before beginning the process. Now, let's begin to build our first aid kit by clicking the build link. First, we need to select the type of kit that we want to build. We've organized all of our containers by application type to make the process quick and easy to find your container. A series of first aid kit containers will then be presented, and when you select a container, the details for that container will be displayed. When you are ready, select the container to continue. This is where it all happens. Looking at this page, you will see the upper area where we can name our kit, see the cost of the container, select how many of these kits that you want to make, monitor the cost of the kit, and most important, determine the capacity or space used up in the container. We'll talk about the ANSI minimum requirements in a minute. Notice the row of tabs that run along the page. We've organized the products by type. Select one tab at a time and scroll down the page to view the different items on that page. Select one tab at a time and scroll down the page to view all of the different items of that type. You can mouse over the image to see a bigger picture, view the price, change the quantity, and ultimately select the items that you want to add to your kit. When you add an item to your kit, notice the link changes from Add to Kit to In Kit. You'll also notice that the tab to the far right that says See Your Kit Contents Here has changed color. This tab is where you will go when you want to see only the items that you've added to your kit. More about that in a minute. So, continue to add items to your kit one tab at a time. Notice the order subtotal and the capacity used change each time you add an item. Okay, for those who want to have their first aid kit meet or exceed the ANSI first aid requirement, notice the box in the upper right hand corner of the page. You'll see a list of product types and red check marks. The American National Standards Institute has created a standard that requires these items to be included in your kit. So, as you browse and select items from each tab, you'll notice that to the right of the Add to Kit link, some have a green check and the type of product that it is. If you select that item, notice what happens to the box in the upper right. The product type you selected now has a green check. If you want an ANSI approved first aid kit, be sure to select one of each of the ANSI product types from the product list under each tab. When all of the ANSI items have green checks, your kit meets or exceeds the ANSI requirement for your first aid supplies. Now, when you've finished adding items to your kit, select the See Your Kit Contents Here link. On this page, you'll see all the items that you've selected along with the quantities you changed. You can remove the item from the list or you can edit the quantities. This is also a great opportunity to review your order subtotal and capacity used. We have intentionally built in a little extra room for our capacities so that if you've gone over a little, you should be fine. Now, look over to the right of the page. The Final Steps box gives you several options. You'll see your kit name, number of kits that you want to order, an option to print your list, a refill link to come back to your kit, a reminder link that if you want to schedule a reminder, and the ability to save your list, or even the option to start all over and create a brand new list or kit. Also, if you want to order the whole kit, you can select to either assemble it yourself or for a nominal fee, we'll assemble it for you. Clicking the Order Now link will add all of the items to your shopping cart. Reviewing your cart will show all of the items for your first aid kit, including the container. Continue to check out and you're all set. If you want to come back and see your list or order individual items to refill your kit, be sure you're logged in. Go to the BuildAKit homepage and look over to the reorder box and you'll find your kit name. Selecting that kit will take you to the Final Steps page where you'll be given the opportunity to order or select as many items you need to refill your kit. Don't forget to set a reminder for yourself to check your first aid kit. If you need help using BuildAKit, take a look at our help file found here on the information box while adding items to your kit. The help file provides step-by-step instructions how to build your own custom first aid kit using MFASCO Health and Safety's online tool known as BuildAKit. It's a great resource. You can also reach out to us using our online chat or give us a call. We'll be glad to help. For those who already have a container and want to create a first aid checklist and use that for reordering in the future, stay here and then the next video will load automatically. Or select it from our playlist on our YouTube channel found at youtube.com/firstaidsupplies.